Excuse me. There was a man. We are in the Odop. He was driving. His wife was beside him. And I saw the man driving with straw in his mouth, sucking the blood of his wife. And the wife, they beside her, sleeping. You know, the man they drive, the woman they sleep. As they pass us, do you know what thing I see at the back? Missionary sticker. Sticker missionary. God now say, now the woman I call, the woman is the one that have the missionary, is the owner of the church. But because I say a woman must submit to husband, a woman did not have right to be the woman submit to the man. And let me tell you, all the glorious people I sent the woman to rescue, the way he's sucking this woman's blood, that's the way he's sucking all of them. He said the only thing that used to cover them financially, the church is progressing, but spiritually they are dead. Say that is it. And I'll say, God, what is the name of this evangelist? He say Felicia Atoke. That is where I started praying for the woman. I never met the woman since then. That's why I said, in the go slow. And the man in the spirit realm, he has one arms here and another face in the back. So he's not a human being. There's another man, when he fasts, he pray, he sleep, he will not say he dream. But when in the morning, now the wife go they tell the dream. Husband now you go dream. Now wife go narrate the dream. Husband will wake up, you know, go remember. Wife go they tell him, say this is the dream. Marriage. Can you still pray? Everything born or appear in my world for my destruction, God destroy them. Ẹnikẹ́ni tá a bí àbí ó kàn déédéé farahàn káyé mi lè bàjẹ́, Olúwa parun àdúrà. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ o. Ẹnikẹ́ni tá a bí tàbí ó kàn déédéé farahàn káyé tèmi lè bàjẹ́, Olúwa jọ̀rù. Olúwa jọ̀rù. Jésù Olúwa wá. I remember vividly 2014. A woman came to me with the invitation card that, mommy, I know you don't go party, you don't go out. Take this card, pray. This marriage, nothing should stop it. Nothing, that day should be successful. That day should be kineko. I said, who's married? He said, my son, the only son. And I look the woman. There's nothing I will say that will not be cause. Wait, let me tell you the story. This woman have 4 children. That boy is the first son. The 3 daughters were sent against the boy. But this boy prayed and overcome them. And the queen mother now came as Lucy. He has money. He has bought houses in abroad. Now they want to do marriage. And this woman was destined to born only one child. Now you can't go up and down. I must born another. I must born another before you born the 3 winch. So now, and I'll say, what about it? So the family of this boy too, they don't carry problem. And this girl too, they say, no, they did not have family on earth. He now say, there was a house, which it is the marine kingdom, get it. So anybody can just say, this is the house I'm living. This is a house I built. Àwọn ilé kan wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́pára ayé kọ́ ló kọ́. Yeah, there are some houses, it is not from this planet they build it. Ẹ kàn rí pé wọ́n fẹ́ǹsì ẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe gbá ẹ̀ pọ́n ṣiṣẹ́ kéékèèké, very fast and somehow beautiful. Gbogbo àwọn tó kọ́lé ẹ̀ lè rí nọ́mbà àwọn tó ṣiṣẹ́ ń bẹ̀. So when anybody that come to this world for assignment, we park in. If the people in the house may not know when they park in, they will just say that the person living there before has left, another person. So they are going, they are coming. So he say 3 days to the wedding, the family of the lady from the ocean will appear there. So that is where they will introduce to the family they are living. When they finish the boy, killing the boy and the mother, another set of people for another assignment will park in there. Okay, from a room you can get to Indianic Ocean. What type of tunnel is in that place? So Mama come they say, make I please pray, make the marriage work. And I'll tell Mama, I'm not going to pray your prayer. I'm not going to pray your prayer. But I'm going to pray. You say, anyone. I know any prayer you pray is good. I say, okay, you can go. In the morning of wedding, fire caught in the house. I don't know how it happened. The bride and the parents, fire, the wedding gown, fire burn everything. The motor they want to carry go, catch fire. The groom, husband, coming to church, get accident and enter into coma. Coma hello da. So about what coma, what will live for? He enter into coma. So now so the marriage scatter. Do you know what happened? The lady say it is the mother-in-law that is a wench that do all those things. So nígbà míì àwọn àjẹ́ gangan ló máa ń múyàn láàjẹ́. At time na the original wench accuse you to be wench. Àwọn àjẹ́ gangan gbà mí àwọn ní ń pèyàn lájẹ́. So ó bá ní yọ ọkọ lájẹ́. Everybody is blaming that man. Say, if my husband wake up, I will let him know it is the wife, it is the mother that did it. Now so this mama cry to me as he say, Mama, kilo ṣẹlẹ̀ ló bá sọ, mo lólúwa ó ṣe o, mo yíra olúwa ó ṣe, thank you Jesus, thank you Jesus. He come dey look me, I said, that's the prayer he pray. He say, ìgbéyàwó mi ọmọ mi. You are truly a witch. Only money, yes. It is a witch that will pray to destroy his own child. Money kí ló wí? Tí n bá wọ tọjọ́ orí yín ó yẹ kí n lu yín ṣe léṣe ni. Àwọn yàrá dúrà òṣì. Ebe sọ pé sí èsì lẹ́ ń lọ. Ẹ kó sí èsì ẹ wọ deeper life. Síbẹ̀síbẹ̀ àrí kankan lára yín. Ṣé ìyálẹ̀ yín yìí? Ìyálẹ̀ yìí. After all, ṣàwọn ṣàfẹ́kẹ́ kú papọ̀ náà ni. Tó tọ́ máa ti pọ̀ mọ́ ẹ̀ tán wọ́n á pa àwọn náà. I said, he said, wetin happen? I said, because you are a blind woman. Assuming they succeeded in destroying your child, they would have destroyed you too. That's why I narrate the story to Mama. Mama say, and I say, even your 3 daughters, see, no, you say all these things God has shown Mama in the dream. And you know, Alomajani pastor buruku. All this dream he narrated to his pastor. Not just to collect money from her hand. Báwo lè yóò ṣe wá rọ àlàtẹ́ tó máa gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹ má worry. Ẹ mú iye báyìí wá ká lórí òkè. Ẹ mú iye báyìí. Then they chop the money. You see? That is how they destroy everything. I say, now where your picking